Well, the wind just keeps getting stronger and stronger. Listen to this. Well guys, the plan was to get up this morning and kind of feel out the weather. I was going to get on the road and try to really cover some ground and get into Texas this morning or today. But yeah, the forecast was for heavy winds again, but it looks like we're going to get some snow instead. It's actually kind of switching from freezing rain to snow, but it's enough to cover the ground. Look at that. That wasn't in the forecast. So I think I might just wait it out another day. I really don't want to drop anything like this. Well guys, I'm going to go ahead and pull out of here, try to get a little bit of miles behind me. It seems like the wind is not as bad as it was yesterday, and it's kind of clearing up a little bit, so maybe not the best decision, but I'm just going to take it slow. If it gets too rough weather-wise, I'll just pull over and find a place to stop. Let's do it. All right, we're ready to do this. Let's get on the road. Just be slowly creeping out of here. It's a pretty rough, rocky road on the way in. I would love to stay here a couple more days, but I am literally running late for work. I've got to get on the road, get some miles behind me. This was actually a very peaceful camp other than the heavy winds. It's nice being up on this mountaintop. My neighbor did pull in here. He was very quiet. I didn't get a chance to talk to him. Actually never really saw him. I heard the truck pull in, and I don't know if he just crawls right in that trailer or what. He had come and gone more than a few times. Looks like he's there now. Cibola National Forest. I'll have to come back here. This was amazing. Okay, here we go. Going to be using Interstate 40 again. Interstates aren't my preferred method of travel, but like I said, I need to get some miles behind me. Running late for my next job. I'm really not running late. I just like to be a little early for everything. So putting myself back east a couple weeks in advance. That way, if anything comes up on the road, any breakdowns or anything, should be able to overcome those and still be able to arrive in time for my job. That's how I've been doing this all along with the sugar beet harvest and the other jobs. Let's give myself a good couple week window. Away we go. Goodbye, New Mexico, land of enchantment. Hope to be back soon. Hello, Texas, the Lone Star State. I guess they had that highway closed because of a fire. It's all smoky and it smells like fire. I'm just hoping this detour gets me there. This is a lot more dirt road than I intended on driving on. Now, looks like we made it to a paved road. I have this bad feeling all of a sudden that this fire is at the lake I'm going to. I guess we'll find out. We're only about 7 miles out, and it's looking like it's right in the direction we're going. It's a big lake, and there's a lot of different areas to camp. Some are on the other side, so if it comes down to it, that might be what I have to do. It's getting on in the evening. It's almost 5:30 p.m. I left my camp at 8:30 a.m. this morning. So yeah, I've been on the road way longer than I intended. I am kind of exhausted, getting a little agitated, but I'm gonna push forward. That's all I can do. Almost there. Fingers crossed. No fire at the lake, no fire at the campground.
Let me guess, you live out here.
Well, I'm actually trying to get to a campground up on the lake. It's not looking too good for that, though, is it?
No, sir, not through this route, it's not.
Okay.
We got a big fire going on up here.
Is it at the lake?
No, sir, it's on this side of the lake.
Okay.
You can go out to 687 and go up if you want, and get back into the lake that way.
Okay. Is that probably the best
Yes,
bet at this
that's
point?
going to be your best bet
All
right now.
Hey, appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you. Yeah, they got the news crew out. Wow. This is crazy. All right, we'll check in when we make some progress. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Whitecaps out there, though. It was windy like this last time I was here. I'll be danged. Well, here we are. Lake Meredith. Wildfires and windstorms. All right, yes, made it. Done driving. Whew. Oh man. Well, it does feel like the wind is dying down a little bit. We got a nice sunset. Still pretty darn breezy though. Well, this is almost unbelievable. There is no wind. I woke up this morning and something was strangely different. Oh, I love it. I'm so glad. I need a break from that. What a difference. I actually stand outside. There is still just a slight little breeze, but nothing like we've been having. Oh, I hope that lasts today. Well, I'm over here at the information board looking at the map for this area. This Lake Meredith has a total of 14 campgrounds. They've got them listed at the bottom here and then pinpointed on the map. And it looks like the one I'm at, the Sanford-Yake, which is up here, and the Fitch Fortress are the two developed ones, meaning they have restrooms. I don't know if the Fitch Fortress has showers as well, but the rest are primitive. But yeah, a lot of camping options here. It looks like 4 of them are on the other side of the lake, and the rest are all on this side, all the way down to the tip here. So lots of camping up around here. If it's not completely windy, nice area to check out. Oh yeah, we got some noodles, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower. Got a nice egg in the middle there. Dang. Well, it was just a fantastic day today. So beautiful. Gosh, after having a few days of those heavy, strong 50-mile-an-hour winds, having a calm, beautiful day like today, just really enjoyed it. Sometimes you have to have bad weather to really enjoy the good weather. So I was able to do quite a bit of cleaning in the van, got everything swept out and organized, so feeling good about that. And yeah, having the bathrooms here with the showers has been very nice. They actually have an electrical outlet in there, so I was able to give myself a haircut. I carry clippers with me and kind of do a monthly buzz cut, so I was able to do that up there. That should last for a little while. And yeah, getting my spoons dried too. Been carving quite a bit of the wooden spoons. This is what I've got built up right now. These ones are all drying. I need a little bit more drying before I can apply the oil. These ones have been dried and oiled, and I don't know if you can see that. Carved my initials in there, AVM for AdventureVanMan. I think that's what I'm going to go with. I'm actually working on getting a little custom logo set up. It's going to have the AVM plus a couple little graphics on either side of the V, and I'm going to have that made into a branding iron so I can heat it up and just give the brand mark on there. I think that's going to be really cool. That's kind of my little projects I got going on in the background. Gosh, look at this view though. It's just been amazing. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you joining me on my journey. It sounds like they did get the fires contained in the area, so that is good news. I hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.